Let me ask you something. What if starting over after 50 didn't mean working harder, but just starting simpler? Because a lot of people think making money online is complicated. Truth is, it only looks that way from the outside. Hey, I'm Carl, and like a lot of people later in life, I didn't grow up with this stuff. No online business, no digital skills, just trying to figure it out one step at a time. And maybe this sounds familiar. You've thought about making money online, but then you see complicated systems, people talking about funnels and tech you don't understand, and you think, that's not for me. Or worse, I'm too late to learn this. But here's what I've learned. The easiest way to start isn't by building something big, it's by doing something simple. Sharing. That's it. Sharing what you're learning, sharing what you're trying, sharing what's working and what's not. Because there are people out there just a few steps behind you, and they're looking for someone real, not perfect. If I were starting again today, over 50, here's exactly what I do. Pick one simple topic, earning online, starting over, learning new skills. Create short, simple videos, no fancy editing, just real talk, and point people to something helpful, a guide, a community, a next step. That's it. No overwhelm, no complicated setup, just small, consistent action. And here's the part most people miss. You don't need to catch up to anyone. You just need to start where you are. Because experience, the life you've lived, that actually gives you an advantage here. People trust real, and real comes with time. If you're thinking, okay, but I still need a place to start, that's exactly why I joined the Freedom Builders Club. It's a simple community where people, many starting later in life, are learning how to build income online step by step. No pressure, no hype, just a path forward. I'll leave a link below if you want to take a look. You're not too late, you're just getting started.